How to connect your Google Chromecast to TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can connect your Google Chromecast to your TV. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to connect our Google Chromecast to TV, let's say you have a Chromecast device, right? I will show you how you can set it up. So let me move to the back of my TV. So basically you can see over here that my Chromecast is right over here. The very first thing you want to make sure is that your Chromecast actually comes with an HDMI port. So you want to make sure to connect your Chromecast to an HDMI port, right? And then on the other end we actually have our Type-C USB port. So if I just open this up and show you, you have this Type-C USB port, right? You want to make sure to have a Type-C USB cable with you and then connect one into your Chromecast to make sure to give the power supply to your Chromecast. And the other end actually has a USB hub, so you want to make sure to connect that to a USB port. If you have an adapter you can do that. And this one right over here is actually an HDMI port, because if I just open this up as well and then show you, you can see that is actually an HDMI port, and you can see this is an HDMI cable. You want to make sure to simply connect this one to your TV, and then you have to connect your Chromecast and then give it a power supply. And after that you should be able to go ahead and then turn on your Chromecast, and after you've turned on your Chromecast you should be able to connect it to your TV. And this is how you can connect your Chromecast to your TV. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.